Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with StreamYard for webinar clip editing workflow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the StreamYard website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Provide your email address in the registration form. Choose a password that meets the security requirements. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from StreamYard. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the StreamYard login page. Enter your email and password to log in. After logging in, you'll see the StreamYard dashboard. To start a webinar, click on the Create a Broadcast button. Select Webinar from the available options. Choose whether to stream to a destination like YouTube or Facebook. Name your webinar and set a date and time. Customize any additional settings as needed. Click on Create Broadcast to finalize your setup. Once your broadcast is created, you can access the editing tools. To edit your webinar clips, navigate to the Recordings section. Select the recorded webinar that you want to edit. Click on the Edit button next to the recording. Use the editing tools to trim, cut, or enhance your clip. Preview your edited clip to ensure it's to your satisfaction. When you're happy with the edits, click on Save Changes. Finally, download the finished clip to your device as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.